Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Betterment account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in betterment.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Betterment. So from here you'll be able to invest and save. So if you want to log into your account, for that what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Betterment. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on the option sign up and sign up for your account. If you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, you'll have to enter your email and password. So simply enter your email address in the field of email. Now you'll have to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after entering the email and password, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. But if you've enabled the two-factor authentication, you might have to go through it. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Betterment account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.